Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add bots to your Discord server. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to tab.gg, and when you're here you're gonna select all the Discord bots that you can install. So let's see that I have this here, the Mudai. I can click here on invite and you can select what is going to be this bot about. And you can select the server, continue, and now you can confirm what is going to be about, authorize, and voila, here we have it. Okay, welcome Mudai, and now you got it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And this is how you add the bots to your Discord server. Thank you everybody. If you have any questions guys, ask in down in the comments, and goodbye.